Hello everyone. Let's continue the chapter The Enemy. In the first part of the explanation, we read that Dr. Sadao was standing outside his home, and his home was at the sea beach in Japan. He was standing outside in the evening to have a look at the beautiful scene outside, and his wife also came out. They both were standing there, and it was told that Sadao and Hana had met in America. They both had gone to study there, and Dr. Sadao went there when he was 22 years old. He came back at 30 when he had become a doctor. He had become a scientist also. They met in America, and when Dr. Sadao saw her, he decided that he would get married with her. But he respected his father so much that he could not get married with Hana without his father's permission. And his father wished that his daughter in law should be pure Japanese. So when they had come back to Japan, only then they got married with the permission of their father. Let us continue from the same point where we left in the first part of the explanation. This is the point where we have to start from. Now he felt her hand on his arm and was aware of the pleasure it gave him. When she caught his hand, he was in pleasure, and it was because he loved his wife so much. Even though they had been married years enough to have two children, they were now parents of two children, still they felt for each other. For they had not married heedlessly in America. Heedlessly means in hurry, without thinking, without having a thinking to something. आप किसी काम को जल्दबाजी में कर दो तो उसको कहा जाता है हीडलेसली. मीन्स अमेरिका में उन्होंने हीडलेसली जल्दबाजी में शादी नहीं की. दे बिहेव्ड लाइक दे वर मैच्योर. They had finished their work at school, means they finished their study and had come home to Japan. And when his father had seen her, the marriage had been arranged in the old Japanese way. So, what is this showing? When his father had seen her, means for Sadao, it was very important that his father gave permission. So after getting permission from his father, he got married with Hana, and that was also in old Japanese way. It shows that gave uh, Dr. Sadao respected his father, and his father loved old Japanese way, means he was clearly a traditional person. Although Sadao and Hana had talked everything over beforehand, they had talked everything in America, how they were going to get married. Still, they waited for the permission of Dr. Sadao's father. They were perfectly happy. They were perfectly happy because they got married with each other. She laid her cheek against his arm. Now we have come back to the present situation. They were standing outside their home, and first of all she caught his hand, and then she laid her cheek against his arm. It was at this moment that both of them saw something black come out of the mists. Mist means fog. It was foggy outside, and they were standing at sea beach. Their home was there. They were outside to see the beautiful scene outside, and at the same moment they saw something black come out of the mist. Means उनको कुछ काली सी आकृति सी बाहर धुंध में से आती हुई दिखाई दी. It was a man. He was flung up out of the ocean. Flung up means thrown up. It seemed something threw it outside the sea to his feet by a breaker. They thought that a sea wave, threw that person out of the sea. Leher, breaker means leher. He staggered. Staggered means walked with imbalance, लड़खड़ाते हुए. A few steps. His body outlined against the mist. His body was visible in the mist. His arms above his head. They both of them were watching it. What was happening? There was a person which was thrown out by the sea wave, and he staggered. लड़खड़ा करके चला वो थोड़ा सा. His hands were above his head. Then he curled. Then the curled mists. Curled means twined, twisted, घुमावदार. Mist hid him again. He was hid again by the mist. He was lost in the mist again. Who is that? Hannah cried. Hannah asked, who is that? Who is that person? She dropped Sadao's arm and they both leaned. They both दोनों के दोनों झुके over the railing of the veranda. Railing means boundary of the veranda. Bramda. Now they saw him again. The man was on his hands and knees, crawling. रेंग रहा था वो आदमी अपने हाथों पे और घुटनों पे. Then they saw him fall on his face and lie there. So they both watched all this, what was happening at the sea beach. A man came out. He was staggering. He was crawling, and then he lay down. A fisherman, perhaps. Hannah had asked, who was that? And now Sadao answered, a fisherman perhaps. Washed from his boat. Washed from his boat means he was drowned. डूब गया शायद वो, बह करके आ गया यहाँ पर. According to Sadao, he was a fisherman. He ran quickly down the steps, and behind him, Hannah came. Her wide sleeves flying. Her wide sleeves flying means Japanese women wear these kind of dresses, the sleeves of which are white. So they were flying a mile or two away on either side of their home. 1 मील और 2 मील उनके घर के दोनों तरफ. देयर वर फिशिंग विलेजेस. तो जहाँ पर सडाओ का घर था, उनके घर के 1 मील और 2 मील दोनों साइड, लेफ्ट में भी और राइट में भी फिशिंग विलेजेस थे, मछुआरों के गांव. बट हियर वॉज ओनली द बेयर एंड लोनली कोस्ट. बट वेयर द सडाओज डॉक्टर सडाओज होम वॉज देयर, इट वॉज लोनली. देयर वॉज नथिंग डेंजरस विद रॉक्स. Why was it lonely? Because that beach was dangerous with rocks. Why was it dangerous? Because these rocks were spiked. They were like knives. They could harm anyone. The surf beyond the beach was spiked with rocks. The surf बियॉन्ड द बीच वॉज स्पाइक्ड विद रॉक्स मीन्स लहरें जो थी वो भरी हुई थी समुद्र के अंदर स्पाइक्ड नुकीली रॉक्स से. Somehow the man had managed to come through them. He must be badly torn. So it is Sadao's thinking that although it was very difficult for this person to come out of this rocky surf, spiked surf, still he had managed to come. But It does not mean that he is not wounded. He must be badly torn. He must be badly torn means wounded. घायल होगा ये definitely, क्योंकि rocks ने इसको घायल कर दिया होगा. And that's why he was staggering. That's why he was crawling. He was badly torn. So Sadao's assumption, Sadao's guess was clear. He was torn because of spiked नुकीली चट्टानों की वजह से, क्योंकि वो वहां से निकल के आया था, उन्होंने काट दिया हुआ उसको. They saw when they came toward him that indeed it was so. When they reached there, they found that Sadao's thinking was correct. He was wounded. He was really wounded. The sand on one side of him had already a stain of red soaking through. So red soaking through means blood. One side of the man was soaked with blood. खून बह चुका था उसका. It was clearly visible when they reached there. So Sadao had thought that he must be torn, he must be wounded. So it was clear that blood was flowing out of his wounds. He is wounded, Sadao exclaimed. Exclaimed means cried. He said. He made haste. He made hurry to the man. Why did he make hurry? Because he wanted to cure him. He was a doctor, and when a person was bleeding in before him, he could not be slow. He had to be haste. He had to be in hurry. Who lay motionless? The person was lying motionless without any movement. It means that he was unconscious. His face in the sand. An old cap stuck. An old cap was stuck, means चिपकी हुई थी to his head, soaked with sea water. It was drenched with sea water. भीगी हुई थी समुद्र के पानी से. He was in wet rags of garments. His clothes were clearly wet, and they were like rags. Rags, you know that the clothes, when they become too old, worn out, they can be thrown away. रैग्स चीथड़े हो जाते हैं, बिल्कुल फटे हुए कपड़े हो जाते हैं, ऐसे हो जाते हैं जैसे पुराने हो गए हैं, कभी भी फट सकते हैं. सो दीज काइंड्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स ही वॉज वेयरिंग. Sadao stopped. Hana at his side. He turned the man's head. Now Sadao turned the man's face, and they saw the face. They saw who he was. A white man, Hana whispered. Hana spoke in a low voice. He was a white man. And you know who is a white man. White man, either British or American. He was an American sailor. Yes, it was a white man. The wet cap fell away, and there was his wet yellow hair. Long, as though for many weeks it had not been cut. His hair was long. And why was his hair long? Because they had not been cut for a long time. And upon his young and tortured face, his face was young. It shows that he was a young boy, and his face was tortured. What does it show? It shows that he was in trouble. He had been tortured. He had been captivated. That's why he was tortured, and that's why his hair was not cut. His tortured face was a rough yellow beard. उसकी दाढ़ी जो थी वो पीली थी. He was unconscious and knew nothing that they did for him. So because he was unconscious, he didn't know what were they doing with him, whether they were helping him or they were troubling him. He didn't know about that. Now Sadao remembered the wound. When they saw the person first time, Sadao was in hurry to stop the blood. But when they saw that he was an American, He was an American soldier. They started thinking, and he forgot about the wound from where the blood was coming out. And now he remembered it. And with his expert fingers, he began to search for it. He started searching for the wound with his expert finger. Why was it that his fingers were expert? Because he was a doctor, he was a surgeon, and surgeons are expert in it. Blood flowed freshly at his touch. When Dr. Sadao touched his wound, blood started flowing out freshly. On the right side of his lower back, Sadao saw that a gun wound had been reopened. He had been shot. उसको गोली लगी थी और वो गोली का जो घाव था वो दोबारा से खुल गया था बिकॉज ऑफ सडाउज टच. द फ्लैश वॉज ब्लैकेंड विद पाउडर, विद गन पाउडर. उसका जो फ्लैश था, फ्लैश मीन्स मांस, वो काला हो गया था गन पाउडर की वजह से. सम टाइम, नॉट मैनी डेज अगो, द मैन हैड बीन शॉट एंड हैड नॉट बीन टेंडेड. टेंडेड मीन्स केयर्ड आफ्टर. It was bad chance that the rock had stuck the wound. It was the thinking of the doctor. It was the thinking of Sadao that उसको गोली लगी होगी कुछ दिन पहले, और गोली लगने के बाद उसकी किसी ने केयर नहीं की. गोली मारने के बाद कौन करेगा? जिसने गोली मारी होगी वो केयर थोड़ी ना करेगा. एंड लुक एट द बैड चांस. जिस जगह पे गोली लगी थी चट्टानों ने भी वहीं पर घाव किया, वहीं पर चुभी वो भी. Oh, how he is bleeding, Hannah whispered again in a solemn voice. Solemn means serious voice. She was serious. And you know that women are polite. They can't see a person bleeding. That's why she became solemn. She became serious. The mist screened them now completely. Screened means covered them now completely. And at this time of day, no one came by. The fishermen had gone home, and even the chance of beachcombers. Beachcombers means the people who come at sea beach to search for something that is valuable. Stones, pearls, इस तरह की चीज़ें ढूंढने आते हैं. Would have considered the day at an end. So why is the writer mentioning all these things? She is mentioning all these things because they had found an American soldier in a wounded state, and if they helped that person, other people would report it to the police. So no one could be there at that time. It was the time of evening. It was fog all around. They could not be visible to anyone there. Although there were no one there was no one. So they could do whatever they wanted. What shall we do with this man? Sadao muttered. Muttered means murmured, बड़बड़ाया वो. क्या करेंगे हम इस आदमी का? But his trained hands seemed of their own will to be doing what they could do to stop the fearful bleeding. While Sadao was thinking, wondering what they should do, it is clear what they should do, because he was an American soldier and he was their enemy. America and Japan both were at war means दोनों की लड़ाई चल रही थी. तो definitely they had to hand him over to the police. Why? What was the question? Why were they thinking about it? They were thinking about it. Dr. Sadao was thinking about it because he was a human being. He was a doctor and he had been trained to save lives. If there was a person who was bleeding and he needed a doctor's help, a doctor who was expert in surgery, he was also a scientist, How could he let a person die before him? That was the point. His mind was saying that he should hand him over to police, but his heart was saying, as a human being, he should not do this. That person needed medical care. That's why his hands were doing the same thing. His hands were trying to stop the fearful blood. And what did his hands do? He packed, he covered, he filled the wound with the sea moss. Sea moss means it is a vegetation at sea beach. हम इसको काई बोलेंगे. With that strewed the beach, that spread over the beach. उसको उसने उठाया, काई को जो बीच पर फैली हुई थी, और भर दिया उसको that in that person's wound, उसके घाव में. The man moaned, the man cried with pain in his stupor, in his unconsciousness, but he did not awaken. पर वो जागा नहीं. It was painful for him when he filled his wound with the sea moss, and it was so painful that he started crying, but he could not get up from his unconsciousness. So the best thing that we could do would be to put him back in the sea, Sadao said. Why to put him back in the sea? Because they could not hand him over to the police. It would be cruelty. They would kill him. And if they take him to his home and do treatment of that person, it would be dangerous for his family. So they could put him back into the sea. Why? जो इसकी किस्मत में होगा हो जाएगा, बच के निकल जाएगा, जो भी होगा कर लेगा, ये बचेगा तो ठीक, नहीं बचेगा तो ठीक. हम अपने ऊपर ब्लेम नहीं लेते हैं. समुद्र में फेंकने से शायद होश भी आ जाए और तैर के चला जाए कहीं पे. Sadao said, answering himself. He had asked a question, what should we do to that person? And then now he answered himself कि हमें इसको वापस समुद्र में फेंक देना चाहिए. Now that the bleeding was stopped for the moment, he stood up and dusted the sand from his hands. He stood up and dusted the sand from his hands. अपने हाथों से उसने धूल को झाड़ दिया. Yes, undoubtedly, that would be best, Hannah said, steadily, calmly, peacefully. उसने कहा कि हाँ ये ठीक होगा. But she continued to stare down at the motionless man. बट वो उस मोशनलेस आदमी की तरफ देखती रही. अच्छा होगा ये इसको फेंकना, बट वो उसकी तरफ से नज़र नहीं हटा पाई थी. वाई? बिकॉज शी वॉज फुल ऑफ पिटी, शी वॉज काइंड. that's why she was watching that person. She was looking towards him. He was motionless, और वो दया से भरी हुई थी. It was her inner thinking. It was not her mental state. वो अपने माइंड से नहीं ये सोच रही थी. वो दया जो होती है वो मन का काम होता है, दिल का काम होता है, माइंड का नहीं होता है. सो उसने she agreed with her husband, but she could not be so cruel. I think it is enough for today. The white man was lying before them, both of them, Dr. Sadao and Hannah, and they were in confusion what they should do. Although Dr. Sadao suggested that they should put him in the sea again. And why? Because if they handed him over to the police would kill him. And if they took him to their home, it would be dangerous. It would create problem for them. It would be that they were traitors for their country. अपने देश को धोखा दे रहे हैं वो अपने एनिमी की मदद करके. So they were in confusion what they should do. Let us continue from this point tomorrow. Till then, my dear students, take care. Bye.